Hello, welcome to Digital Dive Channel. Today, I found some great YouTube channels that have high CPM and are growing fast. Watch this video till end if you're interested in starting your own channel. So let's begin. ASMR niche. Talisa Tossel creates ASMR videos, a genre that's hugely popular. These videos are simple to produce and can go viral, earning creators thousands of dollars monthly through ads. Movie niche. Channels like Flick Connection provide movie and show recommendations. Viewers often turn to such channels when deciding what to watch, making this niche both fun and profitable. Health and well-being niche. There's a channel called Healthy Long Life, created in February 2023. They focus on how people maintain good health as they age. Their videos are simple, featuring stories about individuals' healthy lifestyles. As you can see, this channel is monetized, and this channel has gained over 60,000 subscribers and is making good money through ads. Affiliate marketing niche. Take a look at Vacuum Wars. They review vacuum cleaners and include affiliate links in their video descriptions. When viewers purchase through these links, they earn a commission. As you can see, this channel is monetized, and this channel is making money not just from ads, but also from affiliate sales. Slideshow niche. Animated Biology with Arpan creates simple slideshow videos explaining different topics. These uncomplicated visuals have helped them garner hundreds of thousands of views. Slideshow content is easily monetizable and a great choice if you like explaining things. ASU. You can see this channel is monetized and making a good money without showing face. Money making with AI niche. Channels like 10x Income focus on AI-related businesses and money-making methods. They use avatars to represent the channel, keeping it faceless. As you can see, this channel is monetized, and this niche is both profitable and completely evergreen. AI information niche. Channels like AI Uncovered provide information about AI technologies. With the right content, this niche can attract a wide audience and generate substantial ad revenue. Experiment niche. Channels like Visioneal focus on conducting experiments. People love watching these videos, making this niche not only enjoyable but also financially rewarding. Crypto niche. Channels covering cryptocurrency news and updates are in high demand. Advertisers are willing to pay a lot for exposure in this niche, making it potentially very profitable. Creative comedy niche. Channels like Noobmaster69 create funny and creative content. These videos are short but can attract millions of views, leading to significant ad revenue.